Hai, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, today teacher will continue with 6.5 addition formula and double angle formula for chapter 6 trigonometric functions. Okay, let's start. Okay, for 6.5, this is the formula that we given to you during the exam. So no need to remember all the formula, because we will give to you. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so we go for example. Find the value of each of the following expressions using the addition formula. Then check the answer obtained with a calculator. Okay, so for A, sin 63 cos 27 degree plus cos 63 degree sin 27. So we need to rewrite back. Okay, so this one A sin 63 degree cos 27 degree plus cos 63 sin 27. Okay, you need to take the formula together with you during calculation session. So let's say if you can refer the formula 63 and 27 degree, you can denote dia sebagai A and B. So I just put here as a A and this one B. So teacher akan rewrite back. So dia akan tahu, kita refer, when we refer to the formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is actually sin A plus B. Nak buat soalan ni, you kena bawa sekali formula previous formula yang ada 8 ke 9 formula tu. So you can letak sebelah sambil you jawab soalan. Okay, so we know that sin A is 63 plus B is 27. Okay, so sin 63 plus 27 is a 90 and sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, this is for A. And for B, okay, cos 50 cos 20 degree plus sin 50 sin 20. So you can refer the formula in textbook page 217. Sorry, not 217, 215. Okay, so it shows that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this one kita denote dia sebagai A, this one is a B. So you carilah dalam rumus tu, you tengok kalau dia cos A cos B, but then here is a plus sin A sin B. This one is A, this one is B. Refer muka surat 215 on your textbook. So this one come from cos A minus B. So teacher akan rewrite back. Cos A is a 50 minus 20. So cos 30. So this one is a special angle. So we know that cos 30 is actually square roots of 3 over 2. If you want to use, if you don't remember the special angle of 30 cos 30, you can write in a decimal. Okay, 0.866 I think. Okay, next. Okay, for C. Okay, C teacher rewrite back. C is tangent 70 minus tangent 10 degree over 1 plus tangent 70 tangent 10 degree. So if you get the question like this, tangent, so you need to refer for the formula of tangent. So from the page 215, we see that this format of questions come from, this one is minus, right? Minus and plus on the denominator. So actually this one is a tangent A minus B. So we must find which is A and which is B. So this one is a A and this one is a B. So this one is A, this one is B. Okay, so kita masukkan balik dalam rumus kita. A is a 70 minus 10. So we got tangent 60. Oh, special angle. So special angle for tangent 60 is a square root of 3. Ataupun dalam decimal, you can write like 1.732. Mana-mana pun boleh. Kita terima sahaja. Example 21. So we want to prove other identities by using the addition formula, because the addition formula can be used to prove all the other trigonometric identities. So let me see how it can solve. Okay, so for A, we just write back sin 90 plus A equal to cos A. The keyword here is we want to prove. So if we want to prove, we need to choose which side that gives complex to us. So more complex means left hand side lah. So teacher pilih left hand side. Okay. So sin 90 plus A. Okay, refer to your formula, page 215. Sin 90 plus A. So it's actually sin 90 cos A plus cos 90 sin A. Okay, kita tengok Sin 90 is 1. Use your calculator. Cos A plus cos 90 is 0 sin A. So 1 times cos A is a cos A. 0 times dengan sin A is a 0. So, tara! Kita dapat. The answer is same to the right hand side, cos A. So, hashtag proven. Okay, next we go for B. For this question, it's more complex, but it's okay. We just do one by one, just focus on teacher, okay? So, for B, okay, just rewrite back. B is sin x plus pi over 6 minus sin x minus pi over 6 is equal to cos x. So as we can see, the left hand side is more complex. So we choose left hand side. So sin x plus pi over 6 minus sin x minus pi over 6. Okay, tengok one by one So teacher nak you all denote this one as a A and this one is a B. Okay, so this one is also A, this one is also B. So refer to your formula, page 215 from textbook, sin A plus B. Sin A bracket A plus B. So this one kita kena open the bracket. So dia akan jadi for this part only, teacher letak warna biru So dia akan jadi sin x cos pi over 6 plus cos x sin pi over 6. Okay, we go for the second part. Teacher guna warna hijau. Okay, this one is must put in minus. Kita letak bawah minus. Okay, bracket sin A bracket A minus B. Kita tengok A minus B. Oh, we start with sin x cos pi over 6 minus cos x sin pi over 6. Close the bracket. Okay, so kita nak combine together. Teacher guna warna biru. Okay, so teacher nak open the bracket this one. Sin x cos pi over 6 plus cos x sin pi over 6. Open the bracket minus sin x cos pi over 6 negative equals positive cos x sin pi over 6. Okay, so kita tengok semula. We found that this one sin x cos x and this one is minus sin x cos x. So we can cancel it, right? Kita boleh cancelkan dia. This one. Sebab habislah. So tinggal kat kita adalah cos x sin pi over 6 plus cos x sin pi over 6. Kita ada dua unknown, right? So it's become 2 cos x sin pi over 6. Okay? So now 2 cos x sin pi over 6, you kena guna calculator. Kita tulis dekat sini Okay. So 2 cos x sin pi is 180, right? Divide by 6. So you akan dapat 2 cos x sin 180 over 6 is a 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 you can cancel with 2 in front. So you will get cos x. Sama tak dengan right hand side? Sama kan? So hashtag proven. Senang je. So keyword here, buat slow-slow. Refer to the main formula. Then you tengok satu-satu. Kena darab masuk. Open the bracket and so on. Okay, next. Next, we go for example 23, the use of addition formula. Okay, we look at some example of how to use addition formula to solve problem involving trigonometric ratio. So for this example 23, it is given that sin A is 3 over 5 and A must be less than 90 and greater than 0 degree. And sin B is equal to negative 12 over 13 and B must be below less than 270 but greater than 90. So dia bagi soalan kita kena cari sin A plus B. Okay. Before we go for the questions, we need to determine what the information given. Okay, so we must write like this lah. Kalau sin A 3 over 5, we know that sin is a slope, right? Opposite, this one is a opposite and this one is a hypotenuse. And it said that A must be less than 90 but greater than 0 degree. So kita lukis balik. Ni just untuk information kita. So maknanya dia kata kurang daripada kosong tapi lebih kecil daripada 90. Maknanya first quadrant lah. So kita lukis dekat sini triangle. So this one is a A. Sebab dia kata opposite is a 3. This one 3. Hypotenuse is 5. So we know that 3, 5. This one must be 4. Okay, ni simple. So this one Y and this one is X. Okay, so kita dah dapat untuk sin. Cari untuk cos. Cos A. Cos A is a chah tua. Okay, chah is a, cos A is a, adjacent is 4, divide by hypotenuse is 5. How about tangent A tua? Opposite is 3, adjacent is 4. Okay, settle for sin A. Okay, we look for sin B. Okay, sin B, it say that B is in between less than 270 but greater than 90. So macam ni So maknanya kita tahu dia less than 270 but greater than 90. Maknanya dia kat quadrant nombor 2 and also nombor 3. So kita check one by one. Let's say kalau teacher letak dekat sini and kita bina segitiga. So this one is B. It say that B, sine kan, sine ni opposite dengan hypotenuse, right? So opposite is a 12 and the hypotenuse is 13. But the question say that negative 12. 12 here is here, right? 12. Why? Y-axis. So it is a positive value, right? So this one tak boleh guna gambar rajah ni. Cancel. Okay, sebab because of the y-axis is a positive. Here it show that negative side. So must be third quadrant. Okay, so you kena check like this. Okay, so kita pun lukis mula gambar rajah like this. Third quadrant like this. Okay, so now we just put B here. Kita check lagi. Dia kata sine. Okay, so opposite is a 12. Okay, and the hypotenuse is 13. 12 here, right? Negative 12. Yes, betul. Negative 12. So 12, 13 guna theorem Pythagoras. So you can see that we will get here is negative 5. Here is negative 5. Okay. So betul lah kita punya sign kita ni, gambar rajah dia seperti ini. Okay. So we know that the sin B is negative 12 over 13. Cos B char adjacent is a negative 5 over hypotenuse is a 13, and the tangent B is 12, opposite is negative 12 divided by adjacent dia adalah negative 5, so cancel negative negative, so we get 12 over 5. Okay, so kita nak start calculate. Okay, so for A, sin A plus B. Refer to your formula, page 215. Sin A plus B is a sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, so you just need to substitute based on what we find early part. So sin A is a 3 over 5, 3 over 5, sin A. Cos B is a negative 5 over 13 plus cos A is 4 over 5. Sin B is a negative 12 over 13. Okay, put in your calculator. So you can see you will get the answer of negative 63 over 65. Sarah dah dapat answer. Okay, so we solve for B. Sama je. So B, tangent B minus A. So refer your formula, tangent A minus B because of minus here, right? So we just rewrite back tangent B minus tangent A over 1 plus tangent B tangent A. So refer dekat previous slide. Tangent B is 12 over 5 minus tangent A is 3 over 4 over 1 minus plus, okay, tangent B 12 over 5, 3 over 4. Okay, put in your calculator. So you will get 33 over 56. Senang je kan? So for tips for this question, you need to understand how you want to elaborate your information given. So for your assignment this week, do all self-exercise 6.8, number 1, 2 and 3. And turn in in GCR, Google Classroom. Okay, thank you all. Bye.